How can I control or regulate the temperature of my compressor in a refrigerator?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on controlling the temperature of your refrigerator's compressor. This is an essential skill, especially if you want to maintain the efficiency and longevity of your appliance.
What is a compressor and why does its temperature matter?
A refrigerator compressor is the component that works to keep your fridge cool. It compresses the refrigerant gas, raising its pressure and temperature. This is the key step in the refrigeration cycle that allows your refrigerator to maintain a cooler temperature than its environment. However, if the compressor gets too hot, it can lead to inefficiency and potential damage. The compressor can overheat due to various reasons, such as continuous usage, faulty components, or lack of maintenance.
How can I determine if my compressor is overheating?
Overheating can cause the compressor to run continuously, resulting in a warm refrigerator and spoiled food. If your refrigerator isn't cooling as it should, the compressor is hot to the touch, or you hear a constant humming noise, it may be overheating.
How can I control the temperature of my compressor?
1. Regular maintenance. Ensure your refrigerator is regularly serviced. This includes cleaning the coils and checking for any damaged components. 2. Proper ventilation. Make sure the area around your refrigerator is well ventilated. The compressor releases heat, and if it's confined to a small space, it may not effectively dissipate, causing the compressor to overheat. 3. Optimal thermostat settings. Avoid setting your fridge's temperature too low. This can overwork the compressor. The FDA recommends keeping your refrigerator at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. 4. Avoid overloading. An overly packed fridge can restrict airflow and force the compressor to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. 5. Use a fan. Some refrigerators have a built-in fan that helps cool the compressor. If your fridge doesn't have one, consider installing an aftermarket fan. Understanding and regulating the temperature of your refrigerator's compressor can extend its life and efficiency. By maintaining your appliance and using it correctly, you can prevent overheating issues and ensure your food stays safely chilled. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you to better manage your refrigerator's compressor temperature.